Game engine. Game engines are frameworks that provide developers with the necessary tools and functionalities to create video games or more efficiently. Ito naman yung mga types of game design tulad ng 2D game engines. Ito yung gumagamit ng component-based design para mapabilis yung pagbuo ng laro. Yung 3D game engines. Yung 3D game engine naman ay yun yung mga software framework na dinesign para tulungan yung mga developer. At yung open source game engine, ito yung bawat isa ay may kanya-kanyang mga lakas at kahinaan. At yung proprietary game engines, ito naman yung binubuo at pag-aari ng isang kumpanya na nag-aalok ng suporta para sa kanilang mga product. Component-based design. Component-based design is a methodology in software engineering where a system is constructed from modular, reusable components. These components encapsulate specific functionality and can be easily assembled and interacted to create complex system. Web development. Ang web development naman ay ito yung nagpapakilos ng paggawa nila para mapanatili yung mga website o mga web application. Ito naman yung example ng mga web development: header component, product component, product list component, at cart component. Ito naman yung mga types of component based design: component libraries, custom component architectures, at microservice architectures.